Get ready. These mind-blowing construction breakthroughs will completely change how you think about building. From liquid rubber to robot-powered work sites, the future is here. Grab your hard hat. We're heading to tomorrow's construction zone. Optum is setting new standards in bridge building. The company specializes in both road and pedestrian bridges, using advanced composite materials for faster, longer-lasting results. In Brnowo, Poland, Optum's team upgraded a 140-meter road bridge using Optum FRP, a lightweight, durable fiber-reinforced composite. The same tech was later used on a smaller pedestrian bridge, offering better grip and weather resistance. For workers dealing with heavy formwork, Doka XBot Lift is a game-changer. This robot can raise formwork components up to 5.7 meters high and is controlled remotely via tablet. It reduces strain, speeds up work, and even requires an RFID card for secure access. Then there's Netform, a clever reimagining of standard formwork panels. Built with a fiberglass mesh, it simplifies cable and rebar installation, secures easily with nails, and stays in place permanently. Smart, simple, and efficient. Structuris takes bridge construction even further with its MSS movable scaffolding systems. These can handle spans up to 70 meters, work on both curved and straight paths, and even allow bridges to be built over live railways without halting train traffic. On the ground, the podlock system is transforming flooring. These spacers hold polystyrene blocks firmly in place and pair perfectly with the rib raft method for earthquake-resistant foundations. Fire protection is also evolving. FireCoat, developed to meet Australia's BAL40 standard, shields materials like brick, steel, and wood from intense heat and flames. It's available in two versions: interior, brush or roller, and exterior, spray application. Even old tires are getting a second life. Mechanical concrete turns discarded tires into powerful building material, cutting road maintenance costs by 75% and tripling load-bearing strength. It's a sustainable, cost-saving innovation that keeps waste out of landfills and strengthens infrastructure. And finally, behind the scenes, cable access chambers are helping organize underground utility networks, keeping modern cities running smoothly and safely. The KKTN2 model proves that small details make a big difference. Built from durable polymer and weighing only 9 kg, it's easy to install and designed to last. With 8 mounting zones and a one-piece molded housing, it performs reliably in temperatures from 50 degrees Celsius to plus 160 degrees Celsius, all for about $156. Willora takes wall-to-wall and wall-to-column connections to the next level. Its steel rail and patented bendable wire loops simplify rebar setup while providing excellent load resistance in both tension and shear. In insulation, Therma Bead remains a UK favorite after more than 30 years. Made from polystyrene beads, it reduces heat loss by 70% and energy use by 30%. Installed through coin-sized holes with a special applicator, it's fast, clean, and lasts as long as the building itself. Need recesses in concrete walls or ceilings? Stackbox makes it effortless. These plastic form boxes snap together in seconds. No bolts, no tools. Available in 36 sizes, they grip concrete securely and adapt easily for plumbing or heating layouts. With Silca Tempo, home walls go up fast. Large lime sand blocks and a mini crane let a 2-person crew finish 50 mm of wall per day. The blocks offer 20 MPa compressive strength and top-tier sound insulation. System 3E simplifies building even further with lightweight perlite blocks, just 6 main elements, no mortar or glue. Crews can complete a 100-meter house in one day, keeping costs on par with traditional methods. WaveLogix brings data to concrete with its Rebel sensors, which monitor curing in real time. Added directly to the mix, they send strength data to a smartphone and can even suggest optimized cement formulas, cutting use by up to 25%. The P900 robot is transforming tiling. It lays floors at 18 metric liters per hour using SLAM navigation for perfect accuracy. It's already at work in airports, schools, and train stations. Over 20,000 Hanon cars installed so far. Sapphire Balconies leads in prefabricated aluminum clip-on balconies. Weighing around 350 kilon, they install in just 1 minute 34 seconds and reduce thermal bridging and site risk. The Flamline membrane offers dual protection for joints, waterproofing and movement compensation in one simple roll. It works with concrete, metal, plastic, and wood without special tools. Arium mineral foam tackles one of construction's biggest energy challenges, insulation. It's lightweight, fire-resistant, pest-proof, and adaptable to any climate, including extreme heat. In geotextiles, Base Track Nonwoven stands out. Made from polypropylene or polyester fibers, it strengthens roadbeds, filters drainage, and separates layers in major projects like reservoirs and runways. Creative Paving Solutions turns dull asphalt into decorative surfaces using infrared heating and press-in templates, upgrading over 4.5 million Megar2 worldwide. RF System, a veteran of cable-laying tech, now offers machines that cut, compact, and lay cables up to 1.5 meter deep, even in frozen ground, thanks to its partnership with Kinshofer. From Ames Research Labs, Blue Max liquid rubber delivers unbeatable waterproofing and elasticity, stretching well on 200% after curing and bonding to nearly any surface, ideal for basements or roofs. The Vertkin Group pushes automation with its smart automation system. Using automatic pavers like Vugula, roads are built with precision GNSS guidance and digital depth data, earning a nomination for the 2025 Bauma Innovation Award. Need to move bulk materials fast? Inquip's Powerhouse Hauler handles 9m3 per load, launching materials up to 43 meter with off-road ease, perfect for flood control or land reclamation. Finally, Perma Top Wall brings heating and cooling into the walls themselves. Integrated with smart home systems, it keeps rooms perfectly comfortable year-round, quietly, efficiently, and draft-free.